Hi guys, I'll make this juice or blend juice. So I have celery, I have 1 piece of lemon, and 3 pieces of apple. I cannot find a green apple, so I use the normal apple. Then I have ginger here. Because me and my son, our cough is still not have been recovered, so I will this juice. Okay. So we put all the ingredients in the blender so we can blend that one. Just put all together. Then you can add some water because I don't have a juicer, so I'll use the blender first. So I put together the water already on the fruits. It's so then let's try a bit. This is the juice I make today with apple, celery, ginger, and lemon. So let's try how it tastes.